Welcome back. This is Kristen, the owner of Bean and Bug Graphics on Etsy.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use score lines. One of my popular designs is a box template, and when you get the box template file and you put it into Cricut Design Space, there's just a couple steps you need to take to make sure that it scores properly. So I'm going to upload one of my box templates. Here is the template that you would get in a zip file if you ordered this from my shop. I'm going to click upload, and then I'm going to click it to add it to my canvas and insert the image. The first thing that you'll need to do is ungroup it. So everything is highlighted by default. Up here in the upper right, you'll ungroup. Then you want to highlight just your score lines, so just these black lines. They're all together in one cut. So over here on the right, if you click the score lines, that will highlight just those lines. Then you go over here under operation, change it from basic cut to score. So that makes them score lines. And then the next step, you would attach it to the box template. So now you want to highlight both the score lines and the template. You can do that by just dragging over both of them, or you can hit Shift and click both of them on the right as well. That will select them both. And then down here on the bottom right, you want to attach. Once you do that, you're ready to make it. And when you hit continue and cut this and score this file, you will want to make sure that your scoring tool and your blade are loaded into your Cricut, and it'll ask you that and have you confirm as you go along. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe below. Bye.